If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello everybody, welcome to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Jose, your interior architect here at Bengaluru's Experience Center of our Design Cafe. Well, in apartments these days, we're seeing a lot of open plans with multifunctional units. And here in our Experience Center, we have one such unit, which is a TV display unit, come a crockery, come a bookshelf. Now I'm here to show you how to style such a versatile unit without making it look cluttered or crowded. Let's dive into the video and see how to style it. Here's our blank canvas and empty unit. Now we're starting off by placing cocktail glasses in this open shelf. Since this is a multifunctional unit, we can't load it with just crockery. So for this other open shelf, we're going for decor elements like frames of different sizes and potpourri in a wooden bowl. In this corner, we're adding a wooden tray with a scented candle and more potpourri. Keep in mind that anything in front or next to the TV shouldn't be too large or distracting. So a small decor setup like this is perfect. Now for the other corner, we have a vase. You could also add some fresh flowers to these. Since the wall looks empty, I'm also adding larger framed paintings. The left side we're keeping it for book storage and the right side for crockery display. Also, a pro tip, for any crockery display, the mantra should be lesser the better. If you have too many pieces, store them in closed units underneath and display only a few pretty pieces like we're doing right here. Here we have this cool half open, half shelf, sort of a sliding shutter. Now this sad little electrical fixture that you see in the corner is the driver from all the cabinet lights. This is quite common in most TV units. To hide this, we're placing this decor piece right in front of it. Some more drinking glasses here and a few more frames and we're almost done. There we go. Our TV unit come crockery come display bookshelf setup is now complete. Hit like if you loved it. Well, there you go. It's just as simple to style your multi-purpose unit in a living room. Now, if you're still confused, you can always leave comments below and we'll get back to you with our expert opinion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content and home tours. If you're looking for home interiors, you can always leave your details in the form in the description box below for a free virtual design consultation from one of our expert interior designers. Until next time, take care. See you all.